Are you constantly living and reacting on autopilot? Well, it's time for you to wake up! Do you live your days like this? You go from one task, one emergency, one response to the next, and it's a continual movement from one thing to the other without taking a pause to think about what's going on. Well, it's time for you to take a moment and wake up. How are you doing? Today we're going to talk a little bit about something I do to get centered each time I'm embarking on an activity. The thing is, we get so wrapped up in all the work we're doing, and we get so caught up in all the pressures of our day that we start getting into a routine where we're moving from one thing to the next, to the next, to the next, without pausing to be thoughtful about what we're doing. When you're confronted with a situation and you need to react instantly, that's the time when you need to get centered. That's the time when you need to wake up. So what do I mean by that? How do we do this? So say you're in a situation where there's something urgent that has to be done right away. Maybe it's on your task list, maybe somebody gave you a call, maybe sent you a message, maybe you got an email, but you got to react to it instantly. That's when you're going to take a moment. You're going to pause and you're going to wake up. And you're going to do three things. You're going to say, who am I? Where am I? And what am I doing? Who am I? I'm John Arnott. Where am I? I'm in my office, my studio. And what am I doing? Well, I'm creating a video for you. And it's that moment that you take your attention and you center it on the activity you're doing. And then you'll be more successful in doing it. Each effort you go to, pause and wake up. Somebody wants you to react to something quickly. Pause. Who am I? Where am I? What am I doing? This happened to me recently. I got this urgent email. It's like, you gotta reply right away. And for a moment, I almost dropped everything and just went all into it. But I remembered, not everything is important if it's super urgent. And I took a moment to ask myself, is this important or just really, really urgent? So I got centered on it. Who am I? Where am I? What am I doing? And then at that point, I chose to write a well thought out email back to the person, and then I got it done the next day. The other thing is, when I'm doing activities, I have a long task list. In Asana, there's constantly something to do. I know you can all relate to that. You always have next thing to do and you're hurrying from one thing to the next. When you finish one task and you start the next, I want you to take a moment to wake up. You're about to start on a task you found in your list. Who am I? Where am I? What am I doing? Get centered, and then move on to completing that task. We're gonna do a lot of videos this year. I'm very excited about the things ahead. I hope this is helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.